Hello everybody. So most of you tend to know me for buying and selling cars. Some of you know I've also have a service repair side, but for those of you who don't, I've got Harris Motor Company. So Harris Motor Company is part of my own business. I acquired the business about 3.5 years ago. It's a full facilities. We've got full on-site facilities with servicing, repairs, MOT, tyres, four-wheel alignment, the whole shebang. Latest diagnostic equipment. So if you want any help or repairs doing to your vehicle, your vans, your trucks, your cars, regular maintenance, servicing, whatever it is, here to help you. If you have one individual car, private owner, or if you've got a fleet of vehicles, we're happy to look after you long term. We have lots and lots of customers who come back to us. In fact, I've got quite a few customers who are telling me that they've been coming here for 30, 40 years, some 50 years actually. I was talking to a gentleman the other day when I booked him in for service. Incredible. I mean, the Harris Motor Company has been established locally since 1907. So we have generations of customers who come back to us time and time again. So if you're here, if you're local, or if you're passing through and you want any help, please pop in, here to help you. As I say, servicing, repairs, tyres, MOTs, four-wheel alignment, whatever. And with the frosty weather coming along, if you want a free ice scraper, please pop in. You're more than welcome to a free ice scraper and a nice cup of tea or a coffee. Any help, give us a shout. See you soon.